First, notice that Sean Stewart has entered a couple of comments on the first slide. You want to merge Sean's file with Dan Park's version. You'll find the new merging feature of PowerPoint 2010 in the Compare group on the Review tab. Clicking the Compare button displays the Choose File to Merge with Current Presentation dialog box. Where you can select the presentation reviewed by Dan. PowerPoint opens the Revisions pane on the right side of the screen with the Details tab active. In this pane, comments are indicated by a comment symbol, and content changes are indicated by an edit symbol. The first content change appears in a change box. Here, PowerPoint tells you that in the DP file, the title of the slide is Strategy Session, not the Master Plan. You can select the checkbox adjacent to the edit to see what the slide would look like with the DP change implemented. But you prefer the SS title, so you clear the checkbox again to keep the current title. The easiest way to move back and forth between content changes is to click the Next button or Previous button in the Compare group. You can also accept or reject all the changes on a slide or all the changes in the presentation by clicking the Accept and Reject buttons in this group. The next change suggests deleting the text from the content placeholder. You agree that the slide would look better without the text, so you indicate that you want to implement this change. On the next slide, your two reviewers again have different ideas about the slide title. You can select and clear the checkbox to see which option you prefer. You like DP's suggestion, so you move on. And you like DP's change to this title as well. When you have reviewed all the content changes, PowerPoint asks whether you want to review them again. In this case, you are satisfied with your content decisions, and you now want to review the comments. Some of the comments don't require any action on your part, and you can just delete them. The other two comments on this slide don't require any action, so you can delete them too. But you want to leave some comments, like those on this slide, so that you can handle them later. When you have reviewed all the comments, PowerPoint asks whether you want to review them again. In this case, you don't. That's it. You are done. Clicking the End Review button displays a message box asking whether you want to implement the changes you have made and discard those you haven't made. Clicking Yes ends the comparison and implements the changes in the SS presentation. You have several comments left in this presentation to remind you of tasks you still need to perform. As you complete a task, you can select its corresponding comment and click the Delete button in the Comments group on the Review tab to delete it. In this demonstration, you have seen how to merge comments and changes so that you can review them and implement the ones you want in one file.